Navigate through product tabs and watch list easily on single window. Product tabs and predefined watch list. With each selection of product tabs, a watch list is displayed on the right side of window. On your selection, a watch list is displayed on right side of window. You have easy access to product tabs and watch list with a single click. Whatever script selected, related chart gets displayed with predefined indicators and tools. Market information like close price, current change and percentage change is also displayed. You can select various time frames and period for your chart on each selection. You have easy access to product tabs and watch list with a single click. You get real-time market information. We are offering complete technical analysis solutions in a single window that will help you in decision making in a live market.